Welcome back to our channel, everybody. It's me, Richard Kevin, and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can download OnlyFans on your iPhone. So I'm going to be clear with you guys. There's no app of OnlyFans, but there is a way through which you guys can actually download OnlyFans and use it as an app. Alright, now this might sound confusing, like I'm saying there's no app and I'm saying again there is an app. What the hell am I talking about? Well, to understand what I'm talking about clearly, you need to watch the video until the end. So do not skip any part of this video because you guys are going to get confused. Alright, but before moving forward in this video, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification turned on. So let's get into today's video now, shall we? So the first step is you want to go to your search engine on your iPhone. So you want to go to your Safari browser. So make sure to go to your Safari browser and not any browser. And where it says search, you want to write onlyfans.com. You want to search for exactly what I searched for, onlyfans.com. Once you search for it, it's going to take you to the official website of OnlyFans. And over here, you can click on the box with the arrow pointing at the top over here. Once you click on it, this setting will open up. Over here, scroll a bit up and click on where it says add to home screen. Once you click on add to home screen, click on add. Now what this is going to do is this is going to make your OnlyFans appear on your home screen. Now when you want to open your OnlyFans, you don't have to go to your Safari browser, search for OnlyFans, log in into your account, do that. You can just click on this logo over here and it will straight up take you to the official website of OnlyFans. And if you guys have already logged in into your account will open up. You don't even have to type a login detail every single time. That's how helpful this is, alright? So it's basically like an app, but it's not an app technically, alright? That's what I wanted to say. So I hope you guys are clear now, like what I wanted to say on the forward of this video. So I hope you guys understand. If you guys did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.